Hi everyone, this is a new series on JavaScript coding interview questions. We are planning to cover various coding interview questions that is related to JavaScript. The agenda or the plan is to cover different scenario based questions that can be asked in JavaScript interviews. So in this particular video, we are going to cover two important JavaScript interview questions that is very commonly asked in almost all the JavaScript interviews from fresher level to the experienced level. The first question is nan strictly equal to another nan? Right? So nan stands for not a number, and we are actually comparing nan against another nan. It's strictly equal, whether it is strictly equal or not. That is the first question. And the second question is, nan stands for not a number. Then what could be the type of nan, right? So these are the two questions, and primarily we will be covering different other questions that is related to nan. Okay, so let's deep dive into it. So as mentioned earlier, nan stands for not a number. So first we will see whether a nan is strictly equal to another nan. So as you can see in the console, it is a false. Why? Because we have two other operators for checking whether a number is nan. So nan compared with any other value, that would be false. Okay. So nan strictly equal to another nan, the answer is false. So as you mentioned, like not a number, right? So what is the type of nan? So it is a number. So that is what JavaScript is, right? So JavaScript considers nan as a number itself, but it is in the range of another number. So the type would be number. Okay, so it is okay. We'll deep dive. So even though nan strictly equal to another nan is false, but that doesn't hold good for undefined equal to undefined. Strictly equal to undefined, that is true. Similar with null strictly equal to null, that is true. So there are two operators which we mentioned to check whether a number or whether a variable is nan or not. One is the console is nan. So is nan of a string variable, that is true. So this is nan returns true only if the current value is nan or if it is going to be nan. So this is somewhat like strict nan checking. Okay, we have another nan that is in the number is nan of true, that is actually returning false. So this will return true only if the current value itself is a nan. So that is the difference between is nan and nan. Number is nan. Then if you are actually checking with a number is not a number of nan, so that is false, that is as expected. So these are some of the different questions that can be asked for nan. There are many other questions as well. So we will cover all those questions in the upcoming videos of this particular series. So thanks everyone for watching this out. I hope you got an idea about nan and you can actually explore more on this nan. It's very really fantastic topic about this nan. There are many, even though we might not be using in the daily codes, but there are many interesting topics that is related to nan. So if you in an array, if you are having nan and you are putting an index of nan, so you will not be able to get that. It will be returning -1. I can actually show you that. 1 minute. So I'm just declaring an array. Okay. 4. So this is an array. Okay. So this is some practical scenarios where a question might be asked. Okay, so console.log of array.index of nan. So the answer is -1. It is not able to get that, right? So if you want to get that particular value, right, so then you have to use array.includes of nan. So that would be true, right? So this is some interesting cases where you can actually there are many scenarios where nan is present. So we can deep dive into all those scenarios. Okay, so for this video, these two questions, I hope you got a clear idea of whether nan strictly equal to nan, that is false, type of nan is number. So these are the two interview questions that can primarily be asked in interviews. So be prepared for that. Thanks for watching.